Hello legal hustlers. In this video we will discover the philosophical, ethical, and legal perspectives that shape how societies decide to mete out justice. What is punishment? Punishment is a legal or authoritative imposition of a penalty as a consequence of an individual's or a group's wrongdoing. The primary purpose of punishment is generally considered to be the maintenance of social order, deterrence of future offenses, rehabilitation of the offender, and retribution or moral condemnation. Different theories of punishment emphasize different aspects of these goals. First type of theory is deterrent punishment. The deterrent theory of punishment aims to discourage individuals from committing crimes by instilling a fear of punishment. It operates on the belief that the prospect of facing unpleasant consequences will dissuade potential offenders. There are two types of deterrents, specific and general. Specific deterrents target the individual offender, attempting to prevent them from committing future crimes. General deterrents, on the other hand, focus on deterring the broader society by making an example of the punished individual. An example of the deterrent theory is a person choosing not to steal because they fear the consequences of imprisonment or fines based on witnessing someone else's punishment. Second, preventive theory. The preventive theory of punishment is centered on minimizing the future threat posed by an offender. This theory is forward-looking and seeks to protect society from potential harm by removing or isolating the offender. Preventive measures include imprisonment, quarantine, or other forms of confinement to ensure that the individual cannot commit further crimes during the period of punishment. The emphasis is on safeguarding society rather than solely punishing the offender. For instance, a person convicted of a violent crime may be incarcerated to prevent them from causing harm to others. Third, retributive theory. The retributive theory of punishment focuses on the idea that offenders should receive punishment in proportion to the harm they have caused. It is rooted in the concept of justice and believes that punishment is a deserved consequence for wrongdoing. Retribution does not aim to deter or prevent future crimes but rather seeks to balance the scales of justice by imposing a penalty equal to the harm inflicted. An example of retribution is a murderer receiving a lengthy prison sentence to repay society for the life they took. Fourth, reformative theory. The reformative theory, also known as rehabilitation, centers on the idea that punishment should aim to reform the offender and reintegrate them into society as a law-abiding individual. This theory believes in the potential for personal change and rehabilitation, focusing on addressing the root causes of criminal behavior. Punishments under this theory often include educational programs, counseling, or vocational training to equip offenders with the skills needed for lawful living. For example, a person convicted of drug-related offenses may undergo rehabilitation programs to address addiction and re-enter society as a rehabilitated individual.
Thank you for watching. We're thrilled to have you here and hope that you find our content informative, engaging, and entertaining. Be sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to join us for further updates.